and welcome to another edition of Fix 64. I'm Darren Hadley, and today I have the Minisforum DEG1 once again. I took the 5090 off of it, and I am going to try some of these more budget-friendly cards, which, I mean, around $500. They're still not exactly what I would call budget friendly, but so yeah, I got a 5060 Ti and a 9060 XT. So I'm going to install each of these in separate videos and do some benchmarks on them, the synthetic ones again, and maybe a little bit of gameplay with Call of Duty. So let's get started. Okay, now we have a 5060 Ti eGPU. There was 0 pill on this one too, just like the 5090 Gigabyte. Okay, let's test it out and see if it works. Alright, well, I hope that last segment sounded okay because I forgot to plug in my microphone again. Let's turn this on and hopefully it will work. Okay. Here we go. Okay, we're on the desktop. Okay, looks like the Nvidia driver loaded. There we go. Nvidia GeForce RTX 5060 Ti. Okay, the idle temperature right now for the 9955HX. The package temperature running around 65, 64. Looks like it's going down. Okay, let's do some benchmarks. We'll start with still Nomad. And I'll be back with the results. Okay, this is a 1440p monitor. So looks like we're 3558. Still showing a legendary, so that's good. CPU temp started at 81, 82. Go down into the 60s the rest of the time. So yeah, that little box is staying cool. Okay, let's try another Time Spy Extreme, and I will be back. Alright, here's the results. The graphics score 7,328, CPU 10,266 with extreme score 7656, legendary. Looks like at one point the CPU hit 94 and stayed about mid 80s the whole time. So that worked it a bit more. And let's do Wildlife Extreme for the final. Okay, 30,289, legendary. Temperatures, high 70s, and yeah, little dip into the 80s, not very bad though. Okay, and let's see if it has all the ROPs. I believe it has 48 ROPs on this card. Yep, 48. I don't know if the ROPs things is still an issue or not. Okay, Geekbench. We already did the MS-A2, so we will just do the GPU score. And I'll be right back. Okay, Vulcan score 132,771, which is pretty good. I mean, not as good as the 5090, but it's right around an RX. Getting pretty close to an RX 9070 right there. Also, less than an RX 6800 though. So, you know, it's a mid-range or below mid, you know, it does its job. Let's just say that. I think I am on the wrong video card. Let me check into that. Yeah, for some reason it kept defaulting to the ATI integrated graphics, so I'm restarting and hopefully I fixed it. Yep, graphics settings have changed, so cool. Looks like it worked. Okay, this looks a bit more promising. FPS is up into the 100s versus 20s. And let's see. Yep, hovering around 140. 114, 119, 120, 130. Oh. And yeah, I haven't played for a very long time, so okay, let's my own guy, oops. Yeah. Doing pretty well. 160s, 150s. Oh man. Oh. Dude, knife to knifer. That's not cool. Slice. Slice. Oh, no, no, oh, oh. Okay, anyway, oh, that's my dude. That's where I saw the red. Okay. I need to get my glasses on. Oh, no. Yeah, so in the comments below, please make fun of my gameplay. Anyway, this wraps up another one. Thank you all for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers, viewers. And I will catch you all in the next one. And I better practice Call of Duty, apparently.